Hi there, Rock here, ProFamilyChef.com, and today we're gonna make some succulent barbecue beef ribs. We're gonna need the barbecue, some beef ribs, and a good rub. Tell me in the comments below which is your favorite rub so I can try it out. Let's go.